Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is IIIF150 Air Ultra, and in this video I am going to show you how to enable quick launch on this device. Alright, so to do this, firstly we have to open our settings, where we have to scroll down and find this intelligent assistance option. Right here, all we have to do is just turn on this option, jump to camera. And now, as you can see right here, when the screen is off, double click the down button of volume to quickly open the camera. So look, I'm going to double press the volume down button and here is our camera. And that's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!